it's a heavy. Okay, so I have done this, but it's not my work, it's not my job. So this is, I went to the shop, then I asking the shop and help me, but seems so expensive and also really heavy. It's really heavy, but the the shape I use the pulley, it's only I use only B. I don't know how size it, but I just know the size B, but I don't know how it's a diameter. But this one I have this. So this is used with the connecting the with the headstocks, and I will put a spindle right here, and this one I use connecting to other spindle, but this is connecting with the motor, so that is I use this one. But I hope it's working here. I use 4 different size, one right here, one right here, and one right here, and one right here. So I'm not sure yet, because I don't know how to calculate the size of this, but I just knew about this from and this face here. So this is 20 millimeters. Let me see first. See, these are 20, so 21. So this is a 21 right here, 21, and this one also, I think, also 21, or the same thing. And button it. So this is the holes. I do use the 67. So this is 60. So this is 67 diameters right here. So this one are the just connecting with the spindle with the headstock, and this one. So this one is smaller. I forgot the number also. And this is, it's only 45 45 is millimeters, so that is smaller. But this one just connecting with the motors. And let me see this one. You cannot this is I think like 19, so 19. So, and this one is 15, and this one 12, and this one is 9, 12 and 9. So you could see this one a different number. So this is that I do order, but this is quite heavy. It's quite heavy. I pay 2 pieces like that, cost the weight is cost $2 per kilogram. So I don't know how much, but they just told me total this costs $180. So this one, I also asking the shop. I try order like aluminum, but the problem is aluminum is cost very expensive, and also I never found at my home, so otherwise I decide order this, but it's keep really heavy, so maybe when I have done my lathe, so I will scraping and this hole more, and then I can remove the weight also. Let me test first. So these are is working like that, so I can switch to different size or different number right here. Okay, so now I have done this, but I need to make a, the spindle, but the big one maybe it's not my job again, because this is too big. I can do with my lathe, but my problem is I don't know how to make the thread, so that is I think, or I can go to the shop and asking make this one again. That means this is I have done this one already, but this is seem a bit heavy. I hope you are enjoying this video. So right now I just upload in this one first, but I'm not doing anything yet because I still busy my work.